like my little tape, don't you?
Yeah, that shit was cool, nigga.
Yeah, nigga, that's proper.
You should have came to the wax point. You could have did it much better.
Oh, shit, nigga. It's all about Oak Dog, nigga. You know, I'm larger than that nigga Steven Seagal. I'm gonna be a big-ass movie star out that shit.
Look, nigga, I told you to stop showing the fucking tape.
Man, why you keep on bitching about my tape, man? God damn, ain't shit gonna happen. All right? All right? Damn. And we just gonna find these little marks and smoke them. Shit ain't that hard.
As long as there ain't no crowd. Look, I'm not killing no kids or no old folks, all right?
Hey, man, who the fuck gonna be old out there 12 o'clock at night, man? Shit, nigga, I'll smoke anybody, nigga. I just don't give a fuck. Shit, I'm gonna hit this shit, nigga.
Look, all right, not me, all right? I'm not killing no kids.
And you know what, nigga? You acting like a little bitch right now. You acting real paranoid and shit. Now these motherfuckers smoked your goddamn cousin in front of you, nigga. Blew his head off in front of your face, and you ain't gonna do shit? You acting like a little bitch right now, nigga. Man, fuck that, I ain't letting that shit ride. We gonna go ahead and smoke all these motherfuckers. I don't care who the fuck out there. God damn it, is you down, nigga?
Man, both of y'all shut the fuck up. Both of y'all acting like some motherfucking bitches shit. Scared to peel these punk-ass niggas' cap. Man, give me my motherfucking joint, nigga.
Fuck you, nigga.
Hey, yo, Dean, why don't you go ahead and hook us up with one of them motherfucking hot dogs or something?
Why don't you get away from here begging, hungry ass motherfucker?
Hey, dog, who you saying begging? Hey, man,
You.
I get who you think you are.
Why
Ain't
don't you get a
nobody
job?
begging for no dog.
Hey, look, Dean, why don't you
Y'all
go ahead and just
got
get us one of
money.
them
Y'all
dogs?
sell for my money. What you think about that?
Hey, look, why don't you just go ahead and hook us up, Dean? What you waiting on?
Girl, you done hooked us up 50 million times. What you talking about?
I'm tired of hooking your sorry ass up. Go get a
Sorry,
goddamn
sorry.
job. That's what
Hey,
you do so you can
I
pay
come
for some of
in
this
motherfucker
shit.
Beat your
Hey, man,
ass.
don't even sweat this
On the
bitch,
home,
man.
boy.
Take your
Fuck
big
you,
earring ass and go get us something to eat,
Fuck
all right?
you, nigga, okay?
Fuck
Fuck
you.
you and fuck you, okay?
Y'all niggas hurry up. Go in there, buck them niggas, and get the fuck out. And don't be playing. Dog Kane, you hear what I'm saying? Kill them niggas and get the fuck back so we can stab out. I'm gonna be chilling right here.
Hey, nigga, I wanna know if you ready to do this shit. Is you ready to do this shit or what, motherfucker? And don't be acting like no pussy when we get the fuck out there.
Hey, dog, you wanna go to my house? My mom made a big ass pot of shit.
Damn, nigga, that's rest them chilling. Nigga, we don't need no motherfucking
That's where
hot
y'all
dog.
asses need to be in the goddamn house. You know you got a curfew.
Why don't you take us and get us some motherfucking burger or something, stupid ass bitch?
Fuck you, nigga. It's time for both of y'all to go, okay?
Hey, let's get on mom's house, nigga. We don't need this shit.
That's what I'm saying.
Go home to your mammies, okay?
Yeah, nigga, break your motherfucking Bitch, shut the fuck up before we blast your ass, too. Shut the fuck up.
Hey, homie, you need some help? Punk ass nigga, come on, niggas.